Tired of slow prints? Want to double your print speed without losing quality? In this video, I'll show you the best Cura settings and tricks to print faster while keeping your details sharp. Let's go!
Welcome to 3D Print and Paint Studio, where creativity meets technology. Discover the magic of 3D printing and bring your favorite characters to life. From stunning glow-in-the-dark designs to intricately painted masterpieces, every print tells a story. Whether it's epic busts, articulated dragons, or unique DIY creations, we push the limits of imagination and technology. Join us for time-lapses, tutorials, and unforgettable 3D printing adventures. Don't miss out, subscribe now to the 3D Print and Paint Studio.
First, let's talk speed. Most printers default to 50 millimeters per second, but you can push up to 80 to 120 millimeters per second, if done right. The trick: balance speed and acceleration to avoid ringing or ghosting. Speed alone isn't enough. Acceleration and jerk settings control how quickly your printer changes direction. Too high, you'll get ghosting. Too low, you waste time. This Cura setting is a game changer. Adaptive layers adjust your layer height dynamically faster on flat areas, detailed where needed. Perfect for smooth yet fast prints. Printing faster generates more heat, which can mess up small details. Fix it by tweaking. And that's it. Faster prints, no loss in quality. Try these settings and let me know your fastest successful print speed in the comments. Like and subscribe for more 3D printing hacks.